It's... Hey guys, it's Callum here from Travelparkourist with the first of our mini lessons. Today we're going to be looking at one of the basic facts of traveling to other countries. They don't all use the same money. That's right. For example, in Europe, some countries use euros. In Mexico, they use Mexican Pesos. In China, they use the yuan. And in Vietnam, they use the dong. Since we're in Mexico to film a report this week, we need to change US dollars for Mexican Pesos. So what do we do if we're going to visit another country and we need local currency? We head over to a bank or an exchange house, hand over our US dollars, and we'll get Mexican Pesos in return, money we can spend in Mexico. We have 20 US dollars that we want to change to Mexican Pesos for our trip. ¿Me puedes decir cuántos pesos me va a dar por $20? How do we know that when we change our bills, we'll get the right amount of money? There's a simple mathematical formula to determine the amount of money you should get in exchange. D times R equals MXP. In this equation, D represents the amount of dollars we have to change. R represents the exchange rate, and MXP represents the Mexican Pesos we should get in return. So when we plug our numbers in, we get 20 US dollars times the rate, which was $17.70, and we get 354 Mexican Pesos. If you want to find out how much something costs in Mexican Pesos, you need to reverse the formula. MXN, the amount of pesos you have, divided by the rate equals the amount of US dollars. So we have 354 Mexican Pesos divided by 17.70, the exchange rate, and we get 20 US dollars. So now we know, before you travel, look up the exchange rate for the currency you'll be using. Apply the formulas we covered, and voila! You now know how much money you'll be getting. This is Callum signing off from Travelparkourist, but remember, drop a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more lessons. Bye!